Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Therapy. Today I go drop the long anticipated Brown Man video. Once again, inbox cock up. The Brown Man story was the biggest story in Irie man right across the diaspora. 2 videos I go drop today, but it's going to be a little bit different. One I go drop on Patreon. I want to go drop on YouTube. Because on Patreon, I kind of touch on things that go down in the Uncle Sam place or Europe and them place there. I go talk about the Charlie Kirk shooting and some things I observe. Some things are spooky. Patreon squad look out for it. I know so I don't want to hear that one day. So 2 videos I go drop, but 1 I drop on YouTube. Normally 2, 3 drop on YouTube, but I want to drop today. But this will be all the one you need on YouTube after I'm done. Let me remind you, I've stated many times, anywhere Irie Saxons I go, I don't want to go. The place on the hear me refer to as Irie Heaven. Me tell you, say, me no want to go. The Irie Saxons are some of the wickedest people never see. Just looking at the reaction to the Brown Man standoff with the police, tell me, say, Irie Saxons are some of the wickedest people never see. Bunch of fake Christian, fake Jesus loving, fake Rasta, fake God fearing Irie Saxons. Vile. More know which God una pray to. It has to be studied. Every day Irie Saxons get up talk about God this, God that, read my Bible, and Bobo Hill and all kind of something. And when things like this go down, you get to realize these people are vile. Let me tell you something, Irie man guy. All you can do is find good people and hold on upon them, cling on upon them. Anytime me buck up on an Irie man, for real good-hearted people, me just lock in right away. Because me don't know when me going to meet one next one. Vile! Me don't want no ratings. Hit the dislike button. The reaction to the Brown Man situation, even from people who proclaim to be so educated, so sophisticated, claim to them go yasa and them work yasa, they're just as vile and corrupt. They're just as acidic as Richie Blacks and Sci-Fi. Only difference is Sci-Fi them actually do what they do. And that next the Duppybat can't bring themselves to do it because they're afraid of jail and afraid for dead. But if them could have get away with it, them would do it too. Vile. People are looking at me as a look YouTube, but all some co-workers me have. One time I sit down and hear them talk about Brown Man and what about them, I couldn't believe how them people are going so. They were talking about Brown Man like he was a hero. They were loving every minute of it. If you ever walk in our room and see her charging in there watch blues with one 50-year-old man and one 5-year-old girl, and you say, yo, what do you watch? And him say, no bro, I just entertain, I just like watch them things because it's entertaining. Either he is a pedo, or he's sympathetic to it, or him want to do it, but him can't quite bring himself to do it because he's afraid of jail. But something there in the him brain, guy. Something in the him brain will make him attracted to that. You could have talk until the throat what's up, guy. And you may catch no watch no kiddie blues, and I tell him about entertainment, I'm going to tell you, you are vile. There is a reason Irie Saxons love a certain type of entertainment. There is a reason why Yankees love a certain type of entertainment. Vile. Some of the wickedest people ever see. Think a coincidence, rifle shot can't start go Uncle Sam, Irie Man, Bahamian, Trini guy. Same culture, same mindset. People are telling me all kind of message and can't believe Goody Two Shoe in the office. Don't even like when people use patois. All of a sudden, get excited and forgot where they are. Rooting for Brown Man. But what did Brown Man do? What did Brown Man actually do? Kill man with an arm and then go up against man with arm and get him bat fly? Let me explain something to you, guy. Because me understand say all you do, I just watch be a gun show and listen be a gun song and think so I don't know nothing. Let me explain something to you, guy. This idea that brown man have standoff with police for hours and all kind of something that make brown man thing rough and brown man this and brown man that. Brown man a Duppybat. What brown man did, people from that world will tell you say, brown man not get even half a strike, much less one. Now, before me go into this part, let me just remind you, I'm just a bad mind blogger boy, local YouTuber. So, me don't really know about them things here. But theoretically speaking, if I did, and I have done these things, and I've experienced these things and come from that world, theoretically speaking, because I'm just a blogger boy, let me tell you something, guy. The person who is inside the house, barricaded, have the advantage. The whole heap of police and soldier will use the outside. And I say, boy, look how much money of you take on brown man. Even if it was 10,000 of them. Even if it was the entire 1 JR outside that house. Brown man would still have the advantage. You don't know that because all they do is watch gun show, listen gun song, and then visualize in your head, you have fire off rifle, and you really wonder that. But because they're afraid for jail and afraid for dead, they just go and live vicariously through other gunmen and live through some gun tune and John Wick and anything there. In a real life, the person who is barricaded have the advantage. If me lock up myself in our house with a rifle, you can bring 1 JR, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. You can build new battalions. You can go build new regiments. It will make no difference. The person who is barricaded inside have the advantage. That's why anybody who know them things that work, again, I'm just speaking theoretically here, I know them things that work. But anybody who know them things that work, anybody who's not just a blogger boy will tell you that breaching is one of the hardest thing you can do. Even if I just one Duppybat in there, with one gun, you're going to be in for a very rough time, guy. The person inside does not have to be an amazing shooter. He doesn't have to have a great shot. But the advantage still lies with the smarty inside. Him know the place, that's one. You're turning up to a property, you don't know. You're trying to enter a property, you don't know. The person inside know which part of the alleyway there, know how the door set, know say if you stand up right there so, you can't see there so, but if you stand up over there so, you can't see here so. And that is what gives the person inside all the advantage. And one of the easiest ways for dead guy. Since brown man was so much of a John Wick, lock up in a house with big rifle, just don't make Duppy, bloodlust still strong. Me I listen for years to 156 members of the force. I go home in one body bag. Them I tell me say brown man lock up in a house and brown man a ex-killer and brown man used to run off the whole around stand. Brown man used to be John Wick. Brown man was Navy SEAL, Army, Air Force and everything. Me say well the squad them go home in a body bag. As Bushman say call the earth. Only for find out say not even a strand of hair get touched by a squad head. And he had all the advantage, lock up in the house with big rifle. But Duppybat Irie Saxons, all them here, and see be a police outside, JDF outside, I try, man, yo bro, man, lock down the place, dog. Did you hear how excited the people them who are video were? Let me tell you this guy. Me no want a friendship on the rating something. You see the people them who have video the brown man incident? People them in the background and over the phone and everything there. Let me tell you something, guy. You know some of the wickedest people that walk on planet Earth. You see, what I gonna do I tell me say, yeah, but me never kill nobody yet, or me never, you don't have to. So a man think it, so you see. Let me tell you something, guy. The way how you react to that brown man standoff just remind me why me no want go Irie heaven. Whichever place Irie Saxons go when them dead, all if you full of milk, honey and anything, me good. Me no want go there. Which part the dog them go? Me go. Me spend eternity with dogs before me spend it with Irie Saxons. As some of the wickedest people I never see. They were rooting for brown man to kill some police, you know. Them here say brown man just kill my. They were getting orgasms. Death and destruction is orgasmic to an Irie Saxon, you know. They had no thought over who him kill. They had no thought for who him could kill. They did not care if any policeman or soldier not get to go home to them family that day. They did not care. All they were concerned about was the real life gun show play out in front of them. And then today, Sunday, enough of them get up in the morning and thump them pitney in them face because the pitney don't get dressed for church yet. The same Duppybat Irie Saxon who was rooting for chaos this morning boxing pitney in them ears because him tell the pitney to get dressed for church and the pitney not put on his shoes yet. Hurry up and put on your clothes, you have to go to the house of the Lord. Vile. Vile, vile, vile. DJ boy gonna make all tune. People like it. This is, you people are sick. And there is no cure for you. Let me tell you something, guy. Me telling you a long time, say, Jamaica have some people, them have to just get old and dead off and the next generation come change it. Them people, they can't be helped. Their mindset too far gone. Duppybat of the highest order. Guy, I know me, I don't see it, you know. People are like me, say, look at you, I'm working at Yasso. Appear sophisticated and high heel weird walking people, Yasso. One time the brown man thing I go on, I couldn't believe in my ear. I was some goody two shoot woman going like they can't talk, like they can't mash hands. Got excited, started to show them true colors. Why do you think death and destruction thrive in Irie, man, guy? People are cuss and say, boy, look at YouTube, how come in the ear yet, brown man, and I wanna see the brown man video that. Guy, listen. I had to sit back and consume content. It's not like election when I could have braced myself and prepare and start to this and it just happened out of nowhere. We couldn't just pivot and go do that. I decided, you know what? Me I go put on the BCC. I am going to not just be a content creator. Because I tell already said there are very few bloggers me can listen to. Very few. Me tell that already. Very few. The BCC have to put on. But because of how technology work now, when they're on certain platforms, you don't even have to look for blogger boy. You don't even have to look for blogger girl. Them just come down your timeline. Me decide say, me go be a content consumer. Me go listen to what the people them a say. All kind of blogger boy and blogger girl where you couldn't pay me for listen to. Let me tell you something right now, guy. Because every man and a unicorn turn blogger boy now. You can't even escape blogger boy. Just by being around Jamaican. The man side that you are listening to one blogger boy and you just did a year what go on. And you have to say, I wish Duppy about that. You have to scroll through and the algorithm must send blogger boy down the timeline. I had a chance to put on the BCC and listen to some quote unquote vloggers. And let me tell you something, guy. The majority of Jamaican content creators, the one them react to this and react to that, the majority of them, especially on the place that them call TikTok, the majority of them are extremely low IQ, highly acidic Duppybat. The majority of Jamaican content creators are low IQ, highly acidic Duppybat. Who the cap fit, make them wear it. Obviously not all, but I can tell you, guy, just using anecdotal evidence, the things them of me witnessed and hear after Brown Man, convince me now more than ever that the majority of Irie Saxon, blogger boy and blogger girl are low IQ, high acidic Duppybat. When it should be the other way around. High IQ, low acidic. Take up mic and start talk. I'm not going to say, but you're a blogger boy too. Yes. But me already telling you, say, me I want to look a bad mind blogger boy. At least I'm honest with it. When me listen to how them blogger boy and blogger girl cover the Brown Man situation, me realize say, them Duppybat destined for higher heaven. When you listen to how them talk about the brown man situation, you could hear the glee in them voice. Coney Island. You must have a dinosaur now, so someone go that wonder, when you Coney Island? You ever tell one picnic say you go Coney Island? And you see how them start talk about it? That glee in the picnic voice, that's how Irie Saxon sound when them a deal with murder, death and chaos. Even the one them that never outright support brown man, you could hear the glee in them voice. You don't know what I talk about. Because someone who point it out to me. Them Duppybats enjoy the chaos. Them wouldn't mind if 100 brown man rise up tomorrow. Them wouldn't mind if there was a brown man every day. And then you have a next set of hypocritical Duppybat who pick and choose when time they want against death and destruction. When a somebody were popular, then they're so understanding and forgiving. But then when other people, then zero tolerance. Duppybat. Vile. Vile, vile, vile. These people were rooting for them police, they're dead. For them soldiers, they're dead. Why? Was brown man some kind of revolutionary fighting a war? Was brown man fighting a battle for liberation of the people? Vile, vile, vile. Right now, me know man, I hit this like button. Hurry up, guy. We are wait, pan. That's why I'm telling you, I don't want an Irie Saxon rating, guy. Because Irie Saxon is some of the wickedest people I ever see. Some of the wickedest people ever. There's something inside that someone, guy. It has to be studied. You people are having orgasms over death and destruction. No thought to who dead and who could have dead. Then you wonder why every youth in Irie man want to rise a rifle. Duppybat, when the Jamaican youth sit down and watch on a reaction, and him say, Uno wasn't rooting for the JDF, Uno wasn't rooting for the JCF, Uno wasn't rooting for the man the brown man kill, Uno was rooting for brown man. Then Uno same one, fake Christian, fake Muslim, fake Rasta, get up every day and talk about, yo, why the youth them not stop bad? Why wouldn't they bad? Imagine a 10-year-old youth looking at this situation. Him say 3 parties. Him say who brown man kill, him say brown man, and him say who go against brown man, JCF and JDF. Him watch the reaction of the people them to all 3 set. Why wouldn't he want to be brown man? You people love this madness, support this madness, and glorify this madness. And burn out the people them who try burn it out. Say them are informer and them for dead and for go suck them mother. So why the Jamaican youth wouldn't want to be brown man? Then when time when you say 50 brown man rise up, when you talk about boy the crime man, you know just true poverty, boy life hard and boy life rough, me go pray for him. Pray for your dirty heart, Irie Saxon. That's what only for pray for. Vile. Vile, vile, vile. Me don't want a rating from one guy. How many times me have to ask the question, why wouldn't youths want me brown man? Because the people them who try arrest brown man get burn out. The people them who make videos and call out somebody like brown man, them say them are informers, so your mother stop call bad man name. So what is the Jamaican youth supposed to do? Do them people on the rate? So why wouldn't I want to be somebody on the rate too? Vile. Vile, vile, vile. But in the big Sunday, just make sure some of the people in the offering and get on the message. Or look more on the garb, but you'll go do and look at one chant and feel good. Vile! Has to be studied. The Irie Saxons, I'm telling you guys, the man for just get old and dead off. The next generation have to just come deal with Irie man. Even though we're seeing major progress in Irie man, with crime and all kind of things, understand this guy. This generation of Irie Saxons have to get old and dead off first. The Jamaica really reach the promised land. Same Bible where when you claim son read, my partner even time man here say, yo, yeah, okay, I see promised land, but you're not go there. Irie Saxon, you know can see the promised land. You know can envision the promised land, but we're not go there. He's now a modern day Irie Saxon John Wick. You people are vile. Vile, vile, vile. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.